Hello and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be dealing on limits of a function of several variables. So let's take an example. Evaluate the limit of x raised to the power 3 minus 3y plus 2xy plus 6 as x approaches 3 and y approaches 6. So how do we go about this? Solution. Now, before we start solving, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, like this video and share to your friends. Now let's use direct substitution method. We have x equals 3 and then y approaches 6. Now what do we do? We substitute 3 where we find x, and then we substitute 6 where we find y. So we have here 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 open bracket 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6 plus 6 close bracket. So 3 raised to the power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, minus 3 multiplied by 6 gives us 18, plus 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, and 18 multiplied by 2 is 36, plus 6. So 27 minus 18 plus 36 plus 6 gives us 51. Now let's take another example. Evaluate the limit of x squared y minus z all over 4x plus 3yz as x approaches 4, y approaches 2, and then z approaches 3. Using direct substitution method, wherever we see x, you substitute 4. Wherever you see y, you substitute 2. Wherever you see z, substitute 3. So we have here 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. If you solve this out, you would have 4 raised to the power 2 gives us 16, and 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 minus 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So we have here plus 18. So 32 minus 3 gives us 29 all over 16 plus 18 gives us 34. So this is how we solve limit of a function of several variables.